Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're just getting started with QuickBooks and you want to set up an accounts receivable. How do you actually go ahead and set that up on QuickBooks Online? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then you're going to click on Menu on the left-hand side so it toggles down. Highlight Transactions and then click on Chart of Accounts. Once you click on Chart of Accounts, you're going to see this option here where it says New. Click on New, and then you can enter the account name, the account number, and then underneath account type, you want to click on Accounts Receivable and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up Accounts Receivable in QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.